Hey, this is Austin. Just want to make a simple video about Ether channels. Um, so this is a lot different than the other videos I've been doing. I seem to be kind of venturing into a lot of different tech stuff, but I'm trying to get my CCNA. So right now I'm just focusing on networking. All right, so what I did here was I put my two switches up, put my two my four end devices. I mean, you can set it up however you want. If you wanted like three end devices here and maybe like two here, it doesn't really matter. Um, and you could even have a bigger ether channel than just two connections. But I'm just gonna show how to do it this way because this makes sense to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into switch one. I mean, well, this first switch, which is actually switch 0, but switch 0, enable. So let's do config term. Then let's do interface. Let's see, what are the interfaces right here? Well, we could do this. Let's get out of here. Show IP brief. So this will show me which interfaces are up, and it's 1 and 2, so those are only ones that are connected to each other. My alarm's going off my phone. Turned it off. So let's do this. So config terminal again. Interface range. So we're gonna edit interface 1 FA fast internet 0/1 and 0/2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do channel group, just whatever number you want, then mode on, boom, changed up. Yeah, here we go. And my goal in these videos is to do like I'm not gonna get into details right now. I'm just doing something very simple. Um, partially probably because I don't always remember all the details either. So config terminal, interface FA0 to range FA0-1 through 2, channel group 1, mode on. Yep. So that should set up the ether channel. And you know, before going further into this, I guess I didn't really explain what an ether channel is. So you can think of port channel, ether channel. I think there's different names for it. Yeah, so you can think of it like this. These two connections right here, the one from FA1, FA0-1 to FA0-1 on this switch, and FA0-2 to FA0-2 on this other switch, you can think of them as one connection. And the benefit of that is what you would call load balancing. So, in simple terms, if you have a river going from one location to the other, and the river was very thin, it wouldn't the nothing would travel very fast from one end to another. But if you took it and you dug it deeper or made it wider, whatever you wanted to do, then everything would travel across faster, and then the water would kind of spread itself out to where it could travel more efficiently, and get across to one side from the other, or the other, quicker. I guess maybe a water. I don't know. Just water's traveling down a hill. Imagine the river's going downhill. I don't know. That might make a little bit more sense if I put it like say that it's downhill. Um, God, yeah, I don't know. So let's do this. So I set up the ether channel. Just connect it to all of our PCs. Boom. Let's go into each PC. So I'm just going to set up for my interfaces just an IP address. Let's make this 3. So this one would be 10.0.0.3. I don't really care. The subnet mask doesn't really matter. I mean, it does, but it's not going to play much of a difference because we only have 4 computers. So 10. So that was 2, 3. Let's write a note. 10.0. Whoa. 10.0.0.2. Boom. 10.0.0.3. And sure, I'll just do this 10.0.0.4. 10.0.0.5. Just make it really simple. Oh. Let's go into PC3 here. Config. Interface 0. 10.0.0.4. Boom. Config. Interface 0. 10.0.0.5. Oh, did I really set this up though? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. So let's go back to PC1. And so something I didn't set up. Oh, sorry, never mind. My mind was somewhere else. So we're gonna go to the command prompt to this computer and see if we can ping anything over here. If we do, then the Ether channel is set up. Well, actually, let's do this first. Just to show that it's up. Here's switch 1. Switch 2, right? So let's do show Ether channel summary. So here we go. We have, this is the 1 port channel under group 1. Then these are the ports. So it's showing that group exists. Let's do it on this other switch too and see if we get the same results. Show Ether channel summary. Yep, showing the same thing. Interface 1 and 2 under the same group. So let's try to ping, I don't know, 10.0.0.4. And we should get a reply. There's no reason we shouldn't. And we should get one from 10.0.0.5. And we should definitely get one that's connected to to the same switch. So let's do 2. See what happens. Yep. So that is a very simple explanation and a walkthrough of how to set up an Ether channel. All right. Hope you learned a lot.